The personal-size Presto Pop Light My Munch Hot Air Popper is great for snacking and portion control. It pops with hot air, not oil, for a low-fat treat. Pour a quarter cup of regular or gourmet popcorn into the popping chamber. Place the cover on the popper base and remove the serving bowl lid to allow steam to vent during popping. Plug in the My Munch and watch it pop up to 8 cups in just 2 minutes, leaving virtually no unpopped kernels. Hot air popcorn is all natural, no artificial flavors or added salt, 0 grams of saturated fat per serving, and is more economical than most microwave popcorn bags. When popping is done, unplug and snap the serving bowl lid in place. Grasp both the cover and base handles and flip the unit so the dual-purpose cover and serving bowl catch the pop kernels. And enjoy! Because the My Munch doesn't use oil, the base and cover quickly wipe clean for easy cleanup. The built-in cord wrap hides the cord, and the popper base nests in the cover for neat and easy storage.
Buying in bulk saves you a lot of money and time, but you can't seal the bag because of the chicken goo and slime. Zipper-lock bags are great for keeping your food fresh, but if they're not sealed tightly, you can find yourself in a real mess. Unless you have the perfect Zipper-lock bag sealer. Introducing the Zip Sealer, the easiest and fastest way to seal Zipper-lock bags every time. Fresh or frozen, big or small, the Zip Sealer seals them all. Just zip and flip. Zip Sealer seals all types of resealable and Zipper-lock bags. Do you have problems with hand strength or your wrists? Zip Sealer seals any size bag in a jiff. Zip Sealer makes Zipper-lock bags watertight. Zip Sealer helps keep your food fresher longer by tightly sealing Zipper-lock bags each and every time. Zip Sealer has a magnet for convenience and is dishwasher safe. Zip Sealer is perfect for everything from produce to potato chips. There's nothing else out there like the Zip Sealer that does what it does. Zip Sealer is going to be your new favorite kitchen tool. Order your Zip Sealer today.